Now, Richard, I've seen some big lathes in my time, but a lathe that is 5 meters between centers and is only in the middle of the road. So what is this lathe and what would it be used for?
So this machine, one of the big virtues of it is the spindle arrangement. It's a double headstock or a single headstock, depending on the choice of option. This machine is equipped with two 630mm identical chucks at both ends of the headstock with a 9-inch through hole. We can have a smaller through hole, 6 inches, or we can have up to a maximum of 300mm through hole. Where we've had the most success is where we've avoided the need for a steady by swallowing the part half and half. So half the component is in the headstock between the two chucks and the other half is here, so it's supported by the two chucks and the steady.
Now obviously you've mentioned that there's two chucks either side of the headstock.
Yeah.
So what's the main advantages of that over just a single chuck?
Okay, well, it's two identical chucks. So in this case, the 630mm diameter, and both chucks have got a 9-inch hole through both chucks with a hollow spindle between the two. We've found a benefit of long shafts where we can machine them effectively half and half with the support of the tailstock only. Don't need the steady, and it's a very efficient way of machining the parts. So again, versatility is the name of the game.
Now I want to talk about the tailstock and the steadies because they actually come as standard on this machine.
Yes.
But you don't just get one steady, you actually get two.
Yes.
So what's the difference between them?
Okay, well, both steadies are manual type, 3-point steadies, and the small one is from 300mm down on diameter, whereas the bigger one is 600mm down. And obviously the length of the fingers on the large one goes slightly below 300.
Now, sometimes in machining, when they're clamped on the bed, they have been known to walk backwards.
Yes.
But there's actually something on this machine that stops that happening as well.
Yeah,
so can you tell me through
this
talk me through
machine
that?
is a very heavy-duty construction machine in design. If you look at the gap in between the two slideways, you can see there's like a sawtooth effect in the casting, and that's repeated every 100mm or so. So we can put a locking device, which is standard part of the machine's tailstock. So we'll lock it against that so it can't push back.